Some of the projects that shop's working on. All pretty nice. This is for the Camaro Club people. One of the shop's project cars. Here's the front braces of the roll cage. This is points 5 and 6 on the front. And the headache bar will go across connecting the two. There was a question from the fabricators about whether the dash would ever need to be removed, because if they weld it in this way, the dash will can never be replaced. They'll have to cut the braces to get it out. And I made the executive decisions that go ahead, put in the new dash. By the way, this is the old messed up, rotted, wrinkled, cracked dash, but put in the new dash, and then smother it in protective coatings while they finish the rest of the car. It doesn't interfere with any of the electronics or gauges or anything that needs to go in, and it will facilitate the completing the roll cage. And I need to send pictures to Silver State Classic Challenge safety staff to see if they will okay the tubes not being in the center of the support plates. The SCCA spec, which we're following, doesn't call out where the tubes fall in the plates, whether middle or edge or spacing or anything. So I'll send some pictures to Silver State and see if this is will pass safety spec. Other perspective of the roll cage. Still need to finish the cross brace. Here's the console I'm going to have installed. It's off of I think a 2013 to 2017 Chevelle or Chevrolet SS with the 6L ADE transmission. It's got the important features, 2 cup holders. going to use as much as the function as possible. The e-brake switch is appropriate since I will be having a e-brake installed in the Beast. I did find a bezel that goes here. Hopefully it will, everything will fit together fine. The AC will be hooked up to the rear vents, even though there won't be any rear seat. All the auxiliary power and USB will be also connected. Not sure what goes in here, maybe some missing pieces. They did a trial fit, which I did not catch on video, and everything seems to fit and work and okay. A lot of the functions will be useless, such as mode selector, traction control. Not sure what this is. This for. I don't know what the two P's were for. The front end is off so they can mount the auxiliary cooler bracket bar that will basically go across from this point across, or excuse me, this point to these 2 points to this point, and then auxiliary coolers for oil, transmission, power steering, whatever, will be offset from the main cooler, dropped a little bit. The lower valance will be modified to allow for more airflow, ducting, that kind of stuff.